Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 1972 Honda CB450. This is Honda's mid-size classic standard motorcycle. Has the 445cc two-cylinder engine, 5-speed transmission. This is a clean title, California bike. Bike has 21,811 original miles. Bike has been fully restored. The bike has been featured in classic Japanese motorcycle magazine. New tires, front and rear. Bike is beautiful. Everything about it has been restored front to back. Close to all original and runs great. Price at $51.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach at 408-730-0600.